And we have some breaking inputs coming in this time from Mumbai, Maharashtra, where BJP Women's Wing is now holding a protest march to agitate against the hike in electricity bills. Maharashtra government is under fire for hike in power bills as well. Let's go across to my colleague Yesha joining us live with more on this. Yesha, BJP Women's Wing is holding a protest march. Over to you.
Visual. That the electricity bills in Mumbai for the period of April, May and June will be waived off. But instead of giving a Diwali bonus, like a Diwali gift to them for waiving of the electricity bills, just 2 days back he announced that there will be no waiver in terms of electricity bills. Instead, they will have to pay the whole amount. Like we see over the last few months, the issue of electricity bills has been quite crucial in Maharashtra, as several BJP leaders had staged the protest when the electricity bills had been hiked for the 3 months of lockdown. But eventually, the government had promised that there will be that this whole 3-month hike bill will be waived off. But now they've backed off on that issue. In fact, several leaders had also met the governor on this particular issue. Even the CM had taken cognizance of the hiked electricity bill. But now they've been told that they can pay electricity bills in parts, it's not full, but the amount will have to be paid. The government mentioned that the entire amount of paying of this electricity bill would come up to almost 1,000 crore, and they do not have the budget for that. They also went on to blame the central government, saying that this additional electricity bill needs to be waived off by the central government because they do not have the additional expenses to pay, and the central government is demanding almost 10.8% of interest on the whole amount. So Nitin Raut had also, statement by Nitin Raut, has also kind of laid the whole issue of a split in the government, wherein one particular party in the Maha Vikas Aghadi is saying that there will be a waive off while the other is backing off on it. There is internal split if we go to see on that matter, wherein the ministers are blaming the other departments, saying that they are not able to deliver, which finally comes forth as we've seen over the last few months, and quite a lot of issues been an internal between the government, between the various governments. These women protest.
Right.
The protest spot, they marched all the way from Technopolitan Bandra East to the electricity bill. Going further, they will demand, they put for the demand. Yesterday, various BJP leaders had also said that this is a ploy by the government to trick people, and that will eventually is actually a scam of rupees 5,000 crore. That's what BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis had mentioned. Like we've seen earlier, a press conference that was held by BJP also mentioned that during their time, there were within a lakh people who were provided electricity, which caused them quite a big amount in the government. But on their part, there was no delay or any failure. However, when it comes to this particular incident, the government is clearly trying to back off on the promises made by them and the lockdown issue.
All right, Yesha, stay with us. Let's go across to my colleague Alisha as well, joining us live with more on this. Alisha, we're getting in these live visuals from Bandra and Mumbai, where several of these BJP leaders and workers, party workers, have come out on the streets against the hike in electricity bills.
देखिए बिल्कुल बीजेपी की महिला लीडर जो है वो अब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को बिल को लेकर जो लगातार कई महीनों से हो रहे हैं मुंबई में, और इसको लेकर न कि सिर्फ हम देख रहे थे कि पॉलिटिशियंस हो बट आम जनता तक सड़कों पर उतरी थी कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बिल जो है उसकी प्राइस को कम हो जाए। पर आज जहां तक देखा जा रहा है ठाकरे सरकार के खिलाफ इसी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल की जो हाइक की जा रही है उसके खिलाफ अब खुद जो है बांद्रा में जहां पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जो है वहां पर ऑफिस है, उसी ऑफिस के बाहर अब बीजेपी की महिला लीडर्स वहां पर दिखाई दे रही है जो कि अब मोर्चा कर रही है। और ये मोर्चा जो है वो ठाकरे सरकार के खिलाफ की जा रही है, क्योंकि लगातार उनकी ठाकरे सरकार की खुद गुहार लगाई जा रही थी, फिर चाहे खुद एक तरफ ट्वीट के जरिए हो, सोशल मीडिया के जरिए हो, या फिर खुद एक आम जनता लगातार एक गुहार लगाई जा रही थी कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जो बिल है वो कम किया जाए। पर पिछले 5-6 महीने से लेके जा रहे हैं जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल का जो हाइक किया जा रहा है उसके तहत आज खुद जो है आम जनता नहीं, पर साथ ही बीजेपी की जो महिला लीडर जो है वो अब सड़कों पर उतरी है ठाकरे सरकार के खिलाफ कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जो बिल है वो कम की जाए।
All right, so in fact, Alicia, this has been an ongoing issue that we have been witnessing in specifically the city of Mumbai, where there have been several complaints of residents coming out, specifically in that lockdown period, and even now where there has been a steep hike in electricity bills. Live visuals coming in from Bandra, Mumbai, where BJP Women's Wing is currently holding a protest march to agitate against the hike in electricity bills. Maharashtra government is currently under fire for hike in power bills as well. We'll slip into a very short break. We'll be back with the latest from Mumbai and other stories as well. Stay tuned.